Came back up to the yard to pull these spindles off of this blazer. As you can see, it's all the way off. Here's a complete spindle caliper hub assembly. It has a dust shield on it, and this is why you have to take this dust shield off, because it's designed for the small 11-inch rotor, or just under 11-inch rotor, and it kind of curves over it. So I think that's going to interfere with any big brake setup. But you do need to compensate for this, the thickness of the shim or this dust shield. So that's where those delete shims come into play, or you can take this and cut it down. So this is a whole complete blazer setup that can go directly on the G-bodies. Someone asked me to pull this for them, but I'm kind of taking a gamble because it hasn't sold. So this is another setup I have with the brake lines on it, with the caliper and everything.